Oh shit! Oh god! What the fuck? Why they just came out of nowhere?
Warning, some viewers may find the following footage deeply disturbing.
Hello, horror family, and welcome to the channel. Today is the long-awaited, actually no, not long-awaited. Today, let's go ahead and just say today's going to be the worst day of my life because this is the one movie that I swore up and down
that I would never, ever watch.
So if you're a return viewer, I appreciate you guys being here. Always remember to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload from me again. If you are a brand new viewer, I appreciate you guys being here. Welcome. I so appreciate all of the support. I'm still a very small growing channel. We just reached 500 subs about a couple of weeks back. So everyone that subscribed, thank you so much. And if you haven't already checked it out, check out Salem Slot Part 1, which has been uploaded on Friday. So this movie is edited down due to copyright law. So with all of that being said, we have to abide by copyright fair use law. So here it is. And also a big shout out to my lovely commenters that have suggested me watching this movie even though I didn't want to. But thank you guys so much for commenting and leaving me all of your suggestions. All right, so what are we watching today? 1974's The Texas Chainsaw Massacre. So I have made myself the big ear Rita. I needed a little liquid courage to get through this. All right, guys, let's jump into The Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Chainsaw Massacre.
I'm not ready, I'm not ready, I'm not ready, I'm not ready, I'm not ready!
The film which you are about to see is an account of the tragedy which befell a group of 5 youths, the mad and macabre as they were to see that day, the Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
I'm not okay.
Should have waited to watch this on August 18th. Fuck. Oh, I fucking hate this noise so much. Oh, God, it's already bad. Did this really happen, y'all? Did this really happen, or are they just messing with us? I don't know what I'm hearing, but it sounds so nasty. Oh my God. No. Okay, Muerto County is a fictional county.
A second body was found in a ditch near the perimeter of the cemetery.
That's artistic, though. That was real nice of them to put that out there. Art's art, I guess. Even with dead bodies.
Storage units continue to burn out of control at the huge Teco refinery near the Texas-Louisiana border. Houston police are puzzled over an outbreak of violence apparently touched off by a suicide. Jump from the 10th story window of his apartment.
I guess that's a true sports fan. We'll give him that.
A 16-story building under construction in downtown Atlanta collapsed today, killing at least 29 persons.
There's no positive news here. Not one.
Police in Gary, Indiana have been unable to identify the bodies of
Got a handicapped person on board?
continuing strong governments over oil-rich regions.
Man, who just got pee?
Police in Dallas arrested a young couple.
That was an angle.
Complaints by neighbors led them to discover
Oh God, oh God, oh no. Oh Lord. Oh, that poor man. He was in the midst of peeing.
You okay?
Oh, it's Mercury retrograde too. And the day you're watching this, we will have an eclipse.
Is increased.
Hey man, you believe all that stuff your old lady's talking to me? I don't know.
My granddaddy's buried here. Can we find out if anything happened to him?
Hey, fella, I'm gonna run off with your girl,
Yeah.
man. You don't mind, do you?
He said he loves him a good girl with no
This
bra.
girl's granddaddy's buried here.
I see things. You laugh at an old man. There's them that laughs and knows better.
What's that? What smell?
That's your slaughterhouse. That's where Grandpa used to sell his cattle.
I know that heat. I know that heat. Get up to 115 degrees out there.
They bash him in the head with a big sledgehammer. Oh, that's awful. Start squealing and freaking out and everything, and then have to come up and bash him 2 or 3 times. They got this big air gun that shoots a bolt into their skull and then retracts it.
That's why I try not to think about it, but then again, we don't eat hamburger, but we do eat steak, so.
What do you mean?
Same source.
Hitchhiker.
Should we pick him up?
Oh,
No,
man.
let's not.
It looked
Let's
sexy
not.
out there.
What do you want to do?
Oh, he's weird looking. No.
Just keep going. Oh, I guess we all learned our lessons, you know, not to pick up hitchhikers anymore. It was movies like this that had to teach us, I guess. He kind of looks
Sal,
like
you work at that place?
I'll throw it up on the screen. He looks like this guy. I can't think of his name.
I was at the slaughterhouse. My brother worked there. My grandfather, too. My family's always been in me.
Oh, boy. Like Thelma and Louise driving off the cliff.
Hey, man, did you go in that slaughter room or whatever they call it?
With the new way people put out of jobs. Look,
Ew.
I was the killer.
Gross.
See, they make head cheese. They take the head and they boil it, except for the tongue.
Some people like that.
They use everything.
Waste not,
Throw
want not.
nothing away.
Wow, I didn't know that's what was in that stuff.
It's really good.
We can talk about something else.
You'd probably like it if you didn't know what was in it.
It's like me and hot dogs. Alright, sir. Keep your hands off my shit.
What are you doing?
Whoa, 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 buddy. Are we doing this? Oh, ew, ew, ew. Ew, why are you doing this? This dude's not right in the brain. Alright, well, we're gonna just let you off right here. Don't mix it. Never know what that guy's got.
I have a night. It's a good night.
I think we're good. This is making me so uncomfortable. What the hell? He's one of those guys that charge you $10 after they take your picture randomly. That's weird.
Hey, you could take me to my house. I live right off this road. You could have dinner with us.
Better push on, man.
Don't jerk.
One of those. Those are fun. Cameras.
You can pay me now. Huh? $2.
No, man. Franklin, give him back the damn picture.
Alright, it's time to let you off now. What is happening? Shit! Oh, ah! Let his ass out! We ain't picking up no more hitchhikers, that's for damn sure. Weirdo. Just get something and wrap it up.
Hey, listen to Franklin's horoscope.
You're gonna get cut today.
Long-range plans, upsetting persons around, disturbing and unpredictable day. The events in the world are not doing much either to cheer one up. That'll be all right.
Sagittarius.
Capricorn's ruled by Saturn. There are moments when we cannot believe that what is happening is really true. Pinch yourself and you may find out that it is.
These are just really bad omens she's reading. That dude's got quite the forehead. I go ahead and let you know this bop here might get a little cut short or muffled.
Here comes somebody.
Would you fill her up, please?
How about you get out and do it yourself?
My tank's empty. Transport won't be here until late this afternoon.
Is this how they get themselves in this predicament? They run out of gas?
Hey, you know where the old Franklin place is? It's an old two-story rock house and it's sitting up on a hill.
Now, maybe I seen something like that up that way. You don't want to go fooling around other folks' property.
Oh, my father owns it.
That's your daddy's place, huh? I got some good barbecue here. Why don't you fellas stick around here a while? You want to get some barbecue? Them girls now, they don't want to go messing around.
Well, at least they're getting a good car wash out of it. I mean, we gotta look at the positives.
Maybe we should have asked him if there was another gas station around.
Okay, I'll go ask. Franklin, you maniac, tearing up the van. I just started doing that. Hey, I bet that's some of that guy's blood. Think that's
Don't
blood?
infect yours with his
I
blood.
guess so.
Yuck.
You think you could do that to yourself? It takes something, though. I mean, just to do that to yourself like he did. God, do you think I said something made him mad?
Hey, I got some barbecue. Who's the closest place to get gas?
We're going to Grandpa's place, aren't we?
Hey, that guy smeared blood all over the van.
Miss Texas country. Love it. That old red dirt country. How about we wash it and sanitize it? That's gross. Oh, we're just gonna open our Coke up with it. I want to know what he's eating.
I have a feeling that ain't barbecue, given the nature of this movie.
See, what I would have done was gone to get gas and then doubled back. You know, that would be the smart thing to do. You learn in West Texas, there's like miles and miles of nothing. Just these scary ass oil rigs that just shoot fire and shit up when you're going into from Texas, West Texas to New Mexico. So you know better. How big Texas is, you know better. You may not see a gas station for a second. So when you see it, keep your tank full. Ew.
It's the Marcus Zorro. He's gonna get you.
So why don't you wash it off?
Hey, wait a minute. Wait a
You
minute.
spit on it.
Here, man, you wash it off.
Ew.
Hey, you don't think that guy'd try and follow us, do you?
You gonna take that dip?
Where's my knife?
Looks like we're all fixer-upper. I could see Joanna Gaines flipping that. Those are daddy long legs.
Hey!
Dude, eat your sausage. You're not even trying to help this poor handicapped man. Ew, and he just wiped blood off with that. Why are they laughing like that? What the hell's so funny? I can walk upstairs.
If I have any more fun today, I don't think I'm gonna be able to take it.
Franklin's feeling it. He's going through his shit. His horoscope was very correct.
Didn't you say there's a swimming hole around here?
Yeah.
Man, I'd like to go swimming, man.
There used to be a trail down between those two old sheds.
No, we'll see you in an hour or so.
That's some hoodoo shit. Girl, y'all need to be careful. There's snakes out there. There's scorpions. I've been stung before. That shit did not feel good. That's felt worse than a red wasp. It's such a lovely watering hole. Girl, watch where you're sitting too. That's an ant bed. They get huge there. Now, I will say I have played this video game, but only for a few minutes. If y'all have played the video game, comment below. If you got an Xbox and you want me to share my handle, we can try and make it through this together. As a family.
Hey, come here!
Sounds like a generator.
Come here, look at this!
Weird. That's normal. I would assume that it's a big teeny bopper vehicle choice back in the 70s. Or the young adult. It's giving Pearl or X vibes as well. I'm sure you know, the people that made that movie. This was their inspiration, I'm sure.
Hello, is anybody home?
Love that little swing, though. That's a tooth. That was a tooth. Somebody, like a cow tooth? Or... You don't cross a threshold to somebody's house you don't know. That's called breaking and entering. People have guns.
Let's go.
Obviously, someone lives there. They're running that damn generator. They got a lot of heads on their wall. So you might as well assume that they got a gun. You just turn around and you just go back.
Turn around and go back.
Fuck that! Fuck that! Oh, just right out the gate.
Kirk.
Oh shit. Kirk is now dead.
Kirk.
This is a cute little outfit she's got on though, because I would so wear that if I was 10 pounds lighter. Again, we don't go in people's homes. I'd just be banging on that door. Or walking around the house to see. No. Bitch. Be scared of a chicken in a basket. Be scared of the femur on the ground. And the foot that looks to be attached to a... Well, that's an inventive chair. He's crafty. Bitch, don't scream. Be silent. Get out of the house. Run back to your friends.
We're gonna call Kirk a loss.
Bitch, they ain't gonna like the fact that you're in there throwing up on their floor. Oh shit, here he comes. Oh, oh my god, I remember that from something, like just seeing it randomly. Oh my god, I remember this. Should have remembered she got. What was about to happen? Oh, they showed that hook for a reason. Oh, fuck.
I wanna go home. I wanna.
Oh. I'm like mentally putting myself in that headspace if that was me and my significant other and just having to watch it. Oh, fucking A.
He's gonna get you, Franklin. He's coming to get you. You don't think it means anything? I bet it's about me. He's gonna kill you, Franklin. He's gonna kill you.
Jerry.
Listen, I think I'll walk down to the creek before it gets too
Franklin,
dark.
quit,
There's a trail
quit
down
sending
there.
people to
between
their
the two
death.
homesteads.
He's about to kill you and your ugly blouse.
Kirk!
You went on a hike. Go towards the generator sound. I remember that being on the porch earlier.
Excuse me, I'm looking for some friend.
That's their little towel. Don't walk into these people's house. Dude's got a trap door. And some hooks and some chainsaw. And a chainsaw. Yep, that's your towel.
Are you guys in there?
What's that?
Hey guys, quit playing games. Quit goofing on me.
Goofing on you. They're not goofing. They're not new boot goofing.
Okay, you guys.
Don't walk in folks' house. He's gonna get you just like you got them, just that quick.
Kirk?
This is a get the fuck out of here moment. Holy shit. Oh god, oh god. This is just his day, isn't it? He got 3 folks now.
I'm holding my obsidian because I'm scared.
Oh. He's like, how am I going to explain this to my mom and dad? Oh, his teeth are so gross. Ooh. Don't call attention to yourself.
Sally, we ought to go to that gas station and get help.
I'm not leaving here without Jerry.
Leave him a note.
We will be back. Going to get barbecue.
Jerry!
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 Could I see the flashlight for a minute?
What for?
Franklin, let me see the flashlight. I'm gonna go look for him. You don't have to go.
Look, I'm gonna honk the horn one more time. And we're gonna wait a minute, and then if they don't come, well, we'll go. Sally, they took the keys. All right, Sally, wait. Sally, wait a minute. I'm coming with you. Jerry!
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 It's got my blood pressure going.
I hear something out there. Hey, Jerry!
Jerry!
Sally, I hear something. Stop. Stop.
Oh, shit! Oh, God! What the fuck? Why they just came out of nowhere? Oh, my God. Oh, oh. Oh, my God. He's coming. Bitch, hide. Hide somewhere. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Bitch, hide. Oh, I would cut myself up on the limbs to get away from his stupid ass. There's an opening there. Get. I can't kill her immediately because I think we still got a good half of the movie left. This is obviously his house. You got a fish front door. Shit. Ew, 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 ew. Papa's dead. That's his grandma. And the dog. He didn't wreck that door to hell. Didn't even need to do that shit. I would do that as well. I would have just went straight out a window. It's coming. Girl, I'll be faster than him. He knows his yard. You're on his turf now. Shit. This dude is getting it. Cardio day was today. Bitch, watch where you're going. This ain't the time to get knocked out. This ain't the time. Woo. You and them freelance titties need to get moving. Oh, God. Yeah, there you go, zigzag. Trip him up a little. Oh shit, they were right there by the barbecue place. Oh, God. Thank you, Lord, baby Jesus.
Whoa. There's nobody out there now.
I would have puked already. Sorry. Sorry about your floor.
Drive over to Children's.
Oh, you go with him. Ew. What's he cooking? It's weird how when you go into PTSD, you automatically just kind of, you focus on the craziest shit.
That's suspicious.
Is he grilling those meats or smoking them? Shit.
What are you doing?
Not honest.
What do you want?
Nobody's gonna hurt you.
He got her with a broom. Beating her ass with a broom. Don't let a man do that to you.
pretty certain that sausage she was eating earlier was not of the pig.
I can't nobody beat my ass with a broom, and I just lay there like that. You better have my head on the ground. Ew. I can't think about it. Another bop going in the background. Gotta blur that one out. He said I gotta lock up the place just in case somebody comes by and tries to steal my sausage. Just poking her with the stick.
Nothing to worry about you. Little cool shit.
Oh, what's that kid?
Come here, you nap-haired idiot! No, they didn't see me. They don't know nothing. I told you! Get her out of here! Look what your brother did to that dog!
No home training, no nothing. She's just out there for demo day. They got a free wheelchair out of it. I guess that's a perk.
Let them get away? Are you sure? See that nice here? Quick, get upstairs and get your grandpa. Take it easy there now. We'll fix you some supper in a few minutes, huh?
Oh, he's a chef. Oh, he's got his cool new hair on and everything.
Easy. We'll have yourself eat right away.
That's an inventive lamp. Grandpa's dead. Ew. Oh, Grandpa ain't dead. Grandpa's not dead. That's it. I'm going vegetarian. I am going vegetarian. I can't do it no more. Is that the chicken? Is that somebody's hands? She tied to somebody's arms? Holy fuck.
We were just having fun. Leave her out. Don't mind. He's just a cook. Leatherface do all the work. He's just a cook. Shut your mouth. Take no pleasure in killing.
Oh no. Oh Lord, he's thinking about it. Oh, she's got pretty eyes. That was a really inventive little shot there of the close-up of her eye. Oh, he put on his nice face for them.
We ain't in no hurry. You ain't going no place. I've been thinking about letting Grandpa have some fun. You know that you have it for.
Oh, it's the best killer there ever was.
Oh my God, I would have fought the shit. I would have gator rolled. There would be no way. Grandpa can't even hold it. Use your strong hand, Grandpa. Oh my God. Kick the dude in the nuts. Oh, ow. Oh, he got her good.
Give me the hammer. Get her, Grandpa. Give me the hammer.
Oh, shit. Run! Yeah, there you go, girl. Oh, fuck. Yes, yes. Yes. Run. My leg would have to be broken. He's coming. Oh, he's coming. Trip that fool so he falls into it too. No. No. Girl, run better. Oh my God, run better. Oh God, oh my God, oh my God.
How about a bumper sandwich, booger lips?
Oh, thank you, Lord, baby Jesus. Oh. Buddy, get back in. Get back in. Oh, my Lord. Oh, my Lord. Put it in gear. Why did he get out of the vehicle? That vehicle is big. Oh, there you go. There we go. Just abandon that little guy. There you go, buddy. You dance it out. Well, the only thing I can say about that movie is what the